Welcome to the Doctors on Social Media podcast.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Kyeremanteng. I'm an ICU physician and palliative care physician, head of the ICU at the Ottawa Hospital.
I love that you turn things upside down and explained why people don't want to see you.
I'm a big intermittent faster. Like I don't usually eat my first meal till noon or later, and it's just worked well for me.
But also brace yourself for the possibility of fans coming in after that reel asking for autographs.
Oh my goodness. Obviously, being in the intensive care unit, seeing some tragic events, practice gratitude, go when you're with your family, suggestions on how to bring out the gratitude in your kids.
Do Dr. K and I a favor. If you've enjoyed this recording, go to social media, tell everyone about it, make a video of your own,